Hey, came in the game getting money.
So I took this cover off. To get access to these bulbs. Alright, just let the Lucy take out the bulb. Then this should pop up and it should come out to the top. I'll try this hammer. Bring the bolts upward, hopefully falls off. Yep, that worked. Yep, just came out from the outside. And yeah, I'm just cleaning the inside of it and install the new one. There we go. Turn it on and see if it works. Alright, and to get access to these outer taillights, you just unscrew two bolts right here. Right here. Take these two screws out, and these two, and all you have to do is just get this wire, just push it, and this thing should all come out, all in one piece. Just like this. That little rub, push it outward, should come out, all in one piece. Here's the before and after, and you just install the replacement taillights the exact same way you took it off.